Are you applying the countless job but there is no hear back from the employer? Now the question to you, is it about your resume or is it about something job description? Yes guys, why I emphasize on the job description, because not all job description or not all jobs can create equal impact what candidates are expecting. So some are like a high converting opportunity and some are like a just time waster. So let me share you the difference between the time waster job opportunities and the high converting opportunities in this video. And guys, if you're stuck into the any question and you need my help, why can't you share your question to my email, that is tejaswita@procareerignition.com, or you can simply write in the comment section below the video. I'll create a video and I'll share it with you. Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and I am career comeback coach and the founder of the Pro Career Ignition Club. So over plus 18 years of experience into recruitment, I have not only worked with the candidates, but I know the tendency of the employer also, what exactly are they looking. So what happened with one of my candidates? When she came to me and she said like, Tejaswita, I've been applying for the various jobs, whatever portals are there, I'm going and applying different jobs, but it's been like a 60 days, I hardly received 2-3 opportunities only, like a 2-3 calls only. Why it is happening? Is it something about my resume or is it something about the job description, or a company really don't want to hire? So give me the alarm. I'm giving you the alarm, like a 2-3 factors are there which I explain her. One thing, you need to check the date. So I inform my candidate, why can't you go and check which job opportunity you have applied and when they have posted. Second, some company, they just post and they collect the resumes, because these are the absolutely time waster. They don't want to hire, but they just want to collect the resume. So what I'm going to share actually in this video, certain techniques before you apply any job. What are the checkpoints you need to check so you will not waste your time and you will apply the high converting job opportunity. And when I explain this to my candidate, not only I gave her the opportunity through my company, minimum I gave 2 interviews, but same time she understood where things were lacking, where things were not going well, and she started correcting herself. And I think so within 2-3 months only she found a very good opportunity. So my job is to guide all the candidates, that time also when I was running the company, and now also I'm ready to help you guys. So if you're finding any challenges, difficulty, please knock my door. I will definitely work together, and whatever goal you are having, will achieve that. So let's begin with the techniques, what you need to do. So let's talk about the first point, that is the looking for the specificity requirement. Now what does that mean? It means like when any particular job description is talking about the specific thing, it's not vagues, झूठ नहीं बोल रहे, they are particularly writing what exactly are looking. You need to focus on that job description. If I wanted to give you the example, many time company writes like we need the talented young people for the sales. Now why they need it? Can't you see like there is some red flag in this? So I want to say like if the company is writing particularly like in which department they are looking, which skill set they are looking, how many years of experience they are looking. If I want to take the example, if it is a retail industry and if they hiring the merchandiser, okay, so they will write like a particularly like a 3 years of experience into the merchandising from the retail industry from so and so division. This kind of a proper description specification will give you the confidence. Yes, they are very targeted what exactly they are looking. So in future, whenever you come across such kind of opportunities where they are saying like we are looking the talented salespeople, or we are looking the motivational individuals, then these are like a time waster jobs. You can try, but don't expect anything from that particular job opportunity. So be specific how you are specific in your role. Similar way you search the job opportunity also, which give you the specificity. So next point is like a check the date of posting. Yes, many times when candidates they are in a hurry, they are in a desperation to look for the job opportunity, they forget like when that particular job has posted. So go and check before applying any job when that position has posted by company or a third party. So if it is a more than 30 days, that means that position actually, the company must have received lot of resume and they are into process of screening. So if you apply also, there are chances are like only 10 to 5 to 10%. So look, whenever you are applying, check the date. The more fresher requirement, the chances are very high. And sometimes it happens like there are certain portals, job portals are there. After applying, like after 90 days also, they automatically post that as a fresh requirement. And then when we check with the employer and when we check the other details also, we come to know that position is already filled. So make sure like whenever you are applying any particular job opportunity, you will have some data cross check about the company details also. So let's continue. Like as I said, we need to research about the company. So third point is that once you know what job description they have posted, what role they have posted, we need to investigate the company also on the various platform. How you can cross check? As I said, like a certain job portals, if that position will not close by the company on the portal, automatically it's reposted as a fresh requirement. So go on the LinkedIn, go on the check on the Glassdoor. Is there any new hiring happen? So we will come to know like if that particular position is filled. So person whoever has hire, that person will write like I have started a new job opportunity in LinkedIn. So that way you can cross check is the company hired anyone for that particular role. So do some research, and many times some company they just collect the data. Okay, so you have to be aware with those. So more you research about the company, your life will be much easier. So fourth point is like you can directly connect with the people like who are the hiring decision maker. Now what does that mean? Most of the time the high converting job description, when they do the job posting any company, they normally write the recruiter name or a HR person name and from which company they have applying, okay, everything. So if you don't find the recruiter name, then you can go and search that HR person or a recruiter name on the LinkedIn, and then you can directly connect, because even recruiters are waiting for the good resume, and if your resume is right for that opportunity, you will get the call immediately after applying, because recruiters are just waiting to receive the right profiles in their inbox. So if you are sure like this particular opportunity is exactly what I can perform, you can definitely directly connect with the recruiters then by sending an email or by directly connecting on the LinkedIn. Fifth point is like don't apply any job where the name of that particular position looks like a Vegas. Like if somebody has written like a assistant manager, but there is no department, there is no industry, nothing has mentioned, or a support staff, sales staff. So I kindly request like don't fall into that, because you will apply but finally your resume will end up into their database, but you will not get the any job opportunity call or interview call, and you will feel very disheartened, very disappointed. So if you need job interviews immediately, check the date, check the company details, then see what job description is maintaining, but don't apply where there is no specification has mentioned, especially about the job title. So if the job title, if you find somewhere as I mentioned, assistant manager and the support staff, these kind of please avoid to apply those kind of job opportunities. If this video has given you this much clarity also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And yes, don't waste your time in applying those jobs where you will not receive the interview call. So these 5 points are very important whenever you are applying any job. And this question has come from one of my participant also, and that's the reason I have created the video. Thank you to that participant who asked me this question. So as I said, if you're liking such video, don't forget to like and share it with the people who are having a little confusion. And yes, most important, I'm running actually free one-on-one session for this month, especially for the month of May. If you stuck up into any challenges, you can register for my free career comeback diagnostic session. 30 minutes I'll spend with you. I'll understand what are the challenges you are having, and we'll come to conclusion like what action you need to take it. And it's absolutely free, guys. And second, my free webinar that's called the Career Comeback to the Career Breakthrough. Join my free webinar and learn 3 secrets how you can restart your career and how you can get the clarity and confidence before restarting your career. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.